picture pa, dugay-dugay lang dahil lang. Mamaya, sali lang kita kayo, ang vlogger.
Kaya unya na daw na sila, uy. Asa, ma'am? Hoy! Hello, guys! You know, it's holiday. So, kailangan sulitin natin ang ating vacation. So, this time, I just arrived here. Huy! Nandito ako ngayon sa harap ng Matutom. Yan, that's
Gray
the
Sky.
Gray Sky Vacation House, harap ng Matutom. Yes. Mount Matutom, brother. Huy! Kalimutan ko. Iba kasi iniisip ko, guys. Si baby. Huy! Oh, maganda sana kung dito si baby. Huy! I miss you, baby. Charot na. So, tignan nyo naman ang view dito, guys. It's so refreshing. Huy! Super cool. Parang kang nasa Baguio. Huy! Huy! Bye, guys. See you later. So, this time, I'm going to tour you to our staycation today. So, we're staying here at Gray Sky Vacation House. Huy! Piling vlogger! So, I'm going to tour you. I'm so excited! OMG! Feel ko ako lang excited dito. Huy! Sa likod, you may avail also this one. Pero mas malaki siya. So, we can't afford it. Huy! Pero maganda siya! So, if I were you, try to contact this place. So, yan na so ito sa tamo. So, upon entering, ito yung view. Ayan. Oh, see? So, kunwari, i-close na ito. Asa ba din ang sliding camera ato? Yan. So, nindot kayo siya, guys. Abiyang ninyo. So, i-open yun siya. Huy! Tapos, naamoy makitaan na sala-sala during na portion. And then, sa taas na ay room available. And also, dito, merong TV. Muragit siya mini balay yun ninyo. Huy! Kompleto siya talaga, guys. Wait lang, guys, ha? Asa magsuga diri? Uy! I can't find the, you know, huy! And then, mo ano iyahang room. Tignan natin ang room. Yan. So, maganda ang room, guys. And then, sa taas, meron siyang available na so, ayan. Mayroon din siya dito sa taas. Kaso may natutulog, guys. So, kaya naman. Oh. So, sa kitchen, ito naman yung mga foods namin. Ayan. So, may binibenta din sila dito ng mga foods. If you forgot something, meron dito. All you need to do is pwede nyo gamitin din, you're going to pay it after kapag umuwi. Then, available din ito. Huy, yung mga drinks. Super mahal. Alfonso. Huy, tabak. Ayan. And then, dito sa gilid, meron kayong mini refrigerator. And yung ito. And, meron ding projector. So, by the way, andito kami ngayon. We're conducting a general meeting with my co-officer. So, ayan. So, ayan. So, yan lang po, guys. For more details, kindly visit their FB page. It's Gray Sky Vacation House, located at Sitio Grandang, Topi, South Cotabato. Ha! Goodbye, everyone! Super beautiful. Thank you, God. Happy holiday, everyone.